G'day guys, Liam here from Get Lost Off-Road. Today I'm going to be replacing the fan hub on the GQ. The old one's seized on, so the fan's constantly running, which is a bit annoying, noisy, and not good for fuel efficiency. But today, instead of making this video about the replacement of the fan hub, because anyone can pick up a manual and look at it, or there's other videos on how to do it, I'm more going to be doing a review and whatnot on the Supercenter toolkit, which I purchased to chuck in the back of the Patrol as well. So this video will be more about the tools than the actual job itself, and I'll be doing a bit of a review on the tools. So first of all, let's run through it. So I've laid out all the tools that come in the Supercenter tool set. I've got plenty of sockets, 24 down to 8mm, variety of screwdrivers, spanners, 24 also down to 8mm, shifter, multi-grips, an assortment of fuses and terminals, circlip pliers, Allen keys, pointy nose, flat nose and side cutting pliers, electrical tool, hacksaw, a file and a breaker bar, and the bag it all comes with. Anyway, let's get stuck into it.
Later.
Well, there you have it guys. Fan hub is all done. Existing fan, existing belts, because they were all in good condition as they were, but just the new fan hub is on there, all refitted back as it was, and only using nothing but the Adventure Kings Supercenter toolkit. The only part that I cheated on was the bolts that hold the fan onto the viscous hub. They're just a really tight clearance, so I needed to use my little SP Tools 10mm socket. That's the only thing I used other than the Adventure Kings toolkit. So I hope you like this. All in all, the toolkit is pretty comprehensive, considering it includes stuff like circlip pliers, fuses and stuff like that. The things that I think you don't really need is probably the hacksaw and a file. In dire circumstances, yes, you might need them, but it's not going to be often, and chances are if you've busted something that requires a hacksaw or a file, you're probably going to be on a tow truck anyway. That's just my short little review on it. Please leave any comments down below, and please like and subscribe. Cheers.